That looks beautiful. I'll try that, and then I'll try Oblea.
Okay.
So we'll see how this tastes. Tastes very good. It's a little dry, but I think that has to do with the altitude. And the frosting on top has some type of malted balls of chocolate. So yeah, it's definitely a different taste. This is called an oblea. It has basically a wafer shell on the outside and arequipe on the inside. Arequipe is kind of like what we would call the stuff for a caramel apple. It's basically caramel, but it's whipped up into like a cream, so it doesn't get hard like our caramel does.
You can fill it with different stuff, but this is the most basic one.
This is the most basic one?
Yes.
Very, very sweet. Very sweet.
Yes.
That's a lot of sugar for one day. But no, it's very good. The date of the video is September 16th, 2021. We noticed that during the week there are less people here and we had more room to walk around. During the day, the temperature was 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and in the late afternoon and the evening, the temperature got down to 50 degrees. If you decide to come up here, make sure that you bring a jacket with you, because as it gets darker, it will get cooler. They're trying to get me drunk again, I don't know why. Oh, I'm gonna have to take a while to finish that. All right, well, here we go. Here you go, Angie. You take a sip.
Really? That's not I want to taste it. I want to taste it. ¿Tiene néctar?
Oh, it is strong.
Sí, tiene aguardiente.
That's got some kick to it. This is the interior of the San Isidro restaurant here at Monserrate. There are several restaurants here. They are all very beautiful. In the description below, we'll provide a link for the restaurants, their menus, and the pricing. I do suggest that you get a reservation if you're coming here, as they do book up. It is a very famous place, and they book up rather quickly.